Hello, this is Korea Used Car. Today, we're introducing the Hyundai Sonata DN8 LPG model. Korea Used Car carefully selects and exports the highest quality used cars from Korea to the world, and we're proud to recommend this vehicle. The clean white Sonata DN8, isn't it beautiful? This is the 8th generation Sonata with a coupe-style design and sophisticated grille. It's an LPG model with economical maintenance costs, a truly practical vehicle. The front condition is very clean. The bumper is also well maintained with no damage. Let's look at the driver's side. Overall, it maintains a very clean condition. The door panel's shine is intact, and the side mirror is in perfect condition. There are some very minor scratches and marks on the rear door, but they're just normal wear and tear, absolutely no problem. Korea Used Car honestly discloses all conditions. You can see the Sonata lettering clearly, right? The trunk condition is very good. The rear bumper is clean, and the tail lamps are perfect. We've come around to the passenger side. There are some scratch marks on the lower part of the rear door, but overall it's in really clean condition. Let's take a closer look at the headlamps. LED headlights, clean with no discoloration or moisture. The daytime running lights are working normally, and the chrome parts of the front grille still have their shine. Now, we'll show you Korea Used Car's thorough verification process. This is the professional measuring equipment we use. We can check exact measurements with a digital paint thickness gauge. Let's start with the driver's door. It's the original factory paint. Clean condition with absolutely no signs of accidents or repainting. We'll also measure the rear driver's side door. Now moving to the rear trunk. The trunk is the most important part for checking rear collision accidents. There are no signs of rear impact at all. Left side of trunk, normal. Right side, also normal. Korea Used Car's trust starts with this accurate data. Moving to the passenger side. 100% original condition with no signs of repainting or bodywork. Finally, we'll measure the most important part, the hood. The hood is the key area for checking front collision. It's confirmed there's absolutely no front impact history. Everyone, this is Korea Used Car's differentiated service. It's not just checking with the eyes. Quality proven by scientific data. Korea Used Car thoroughly verifies all vehicles like this. Let's open the trunk. Wow, it's really clean. The trunk frame is completely normal. No signs of accidents at all. The LPG gas tank is installed in the spare tire space. It's a characteristic of LPG vehicles. The key to fuel cost savings. The trunk floor is also very neatly maintained. Let's check the rear seat on the driver's side. Wow, the seat condition is really excellent. The leather seats are perfectly protected by using full seat covers. The backrest leather condition, it's like a new car. The floor mats are clean, and there's plenty of legroom. Amazingly, even the stickers from the factory are still there. This shows how carefully the original owner maintained it. Opening the driver's door and checking the VIN sticker. All information matches perfectly. The driver's seat is also perfectly protected with a seat cover. No wrinkles or tears in the leather seats at all. The steering wheel also has a cover, so it's in good condition. And it's equipped with cruise control. A really convenient feature for long-distance driving. Let's start the engine. Listen to the engine sound. Really smooth and quiet. The quietness characteristic of LPG engines really stands out. Testing the steering wheel movement, very smooth. Electronic push-button transmission, works perfectly. The rear camera is also working clearly. Essential for safe parking. There are traces of something being installed and removed below the audio, probably a phone holder. Overall, there are absolutely no functional issues. Let's test each button on the dashboard one by one. Air conditioning, normal. Heater, normal. Audio system, perfect operation. All warning lights are also normal. There's some wear from use, but this is really in good condition. This is why Korea Used Car confidently recommends it. Now let's check the most important part, the engine bay. Shall we open the hood? Listen to the engine sound one more time. Really healthy engine. If you look closely at the engine bay, there are no signs of bolts or screws being loosened and tightened. It's proof that it's maintained in original condition. Engine oil condition, clean. Coolant, normal level. Brake fluid, perfect. Battery condition is also good. The belts still have a long time before replacement. Really well-maintained vehicle. Hyundai Sonata DN8 LPG. Overall, a vehicle in really excellent condition. Korea Used Car exports only the best quality used cars after going through this meticulous verification. Unfortunately, this vehicle shown in the video has already been sold. But don't worry, Korea Used Car continuously supplies premium vehicles like this. Please contact us anytime for vehicle purchase inquiries. Korea Used Car will help you find your perfect vehicle. Thank you.